Some who planted trees in the past never saw the trees grow, but the following generations are benefiting from the fruits, oxygen, and the shade that they provide. You can search about the legacies of the founders or CEOs of popular companies or those that stood the test of time, and you will discover that their works didn't go in vain. And please know, why do we still remember the valiant 300 Spartans after hundreds of years have passed? Cleopatra, Socrates, Plato, Alexander the Great, Napoleon Bonaparte, Abraham Lincoln, Albert Einstein, Nikola Tesla, Steve Jobs, and other notable figures in our past still remain in the minds of humanity, even if years and years pass due to their actions or ideas that still contributed to humanity in one way or another. Of course, there are also negatives, and those will not be easily forgotten in history in many years to come.